Hi there.
Hi there.
I'm coming
Coming
back
to
to
you with
you
a
with a
video.
new product that I have. And I've
I'm
got the
back online
Flexihand.
again. I'm back on YouTube. And this is
And
my first video.
this is how
And
it came. It came in a
that's
bag.
right. Hold on.
And it's a pretty purple bag, as you can see. And it just took about a week and a half for me to get it. And it's very nice. I hope that I will start doing just a few designs. I'm not going to say I'm going to do tutorials, but hopefully I can start doing a few designs or something, or just doing some nails just to pass the time. I'm taking out the paper now that came inside, and it is a instruction sheet that comes with it, as you can see. Now I'm just taking the hand out of the bag that it came in. Nice cute bag. I like that. I'll keep it for something. Now, this is really nice. It's a cheaper alternative to the silicone hands that are out there that are very nice. This is the stand. I got the one with the long fingers on it. That's the pinky. And they feel very real. They're very real feeling. Now this is the hand itself set up right there. And I've got this blue cloth down to keep the glare from the lights off of my black slab that I've got the marble that I've got the hand that I'm going to attach the hand to. Okay, now here's where the Flexihand, it flexes right there. Each of the hands, each of the fingers are, adjustable. You can take them off and put them back on or whatever. And the nail tips that come on, those come with the hand. They come already on the hand. I'm just playing around with, just to see how everything works. All these screws and gadgets that go with it, just to see how it works. And I think I'm going to enjoy this hand very well. I've seen very good reviews of it and everything. Now I'm just looking at the bottom, and I'm peeling the plastic off the bottom in order to be able to, for it to suction to the black slab that I have, the black marble slab that I have. There. Okay, now I've got everything situated, and here are some extra nail tips that came with the hand. And yeah, that's my bad thumb that I broke. It broke off while I was grilling. And that's some of the dirt on my finger that I got on when I was grilling. I'll file it off. I've got to redo my nails anyway. So this hand looks very, very nice. Now I'm going to attempt to try to take one of the tips out, because there's a canal that these tips are in. I know I've got my hands in the way. I'm sorry about that. And with these nails of mine, I'm trying to take this tip out and trying to. They are very well secure in there. As you can see, they are very secure in there. They fit very snugly in there. So you won't have any problem with this Flexihand. I won't have any problem with this Flexihand doing the nails or anything. They're very snugly fit inside of there. And these fingers are very well secure on there. You can slide them off of the little wire thing that's there. You're supposed to be able to screw them on and screw them off, but actually you can just slide them off and slide them on. But this is very nice, as you can see. And I have a lot of other nail tips, stilettos, all kinds, coffin to put on, replace these with. And I'll come back and do another demonstration with this hand later on. Things set up, and I've got some more tips put on. And videos. I'm doing a lot better. I guess I should have opened with that part. I am doing a lot better. And I feel a lot better now. So I may come back and do some more videos since I've got this Flexihand. And I thank everyone for all the wonderful comments that you made on the video that I did, the final video. Because it was really rough there for a while for me. I had major surgery. And as I said, I think I stated in the other video that the surgery was supposed to be for 2.5 hours, and it ended up being almost 9 hours of surgery that I was in because they had complications. And I also went into respiratory failure while I was in the surgery. So, but now I'm doing a lot better. God is a healer, and I thank God for my healing. Thank all of you. And hopefully I can come back and do a few videos for you differently. I mean, while I've been away from YouTube, I've still been watching videos myself, and I really, really am enjoying all the videos that I'm seeing. Everyone, these great ladies recording, and I've been watching and learning, and I really miss YouTube. I miss being on YouTube, but I really enjoy watching other videos. I really do. That's been a lot of what I've been doing. And so I just thank you all. Thank you for the wonderful, wonderful comments and all your prayers and everything that you've been doing for me. I appreciate every bit of it. And hopefully I'll get back in the swing of things. All right, guys. I'll see you, or you'll see me in my next video. Bye-bye.